Here we go. Not your average FJ62. This is an LS3 427 horse. Welcome to Land Cruiser Restorations. I want to take the time to introduce you to this 89 FJ62. We recently completed this one for a gentleman by the name of Steve out of California. This is an E-Rod engine, 50 state emissions compliant. Let's take a look at it real quick. Kind of looks like it came from the factory that way, which is our intentions. It's a really nice looking engine. We really pay attention to detail, as you can tell. That's an onboard air compressor, because this cruiser we have installed lockers. Custom aluminum radiator, LED headlights, stock bumper. Steve wanted to give it that sleeper look. You're going to love these wheels. We really like them. These are the Icon edition. Really cool looking. This has got all new suspension on it as well. How you like the two-tone paint? Turned out fabulous. This has got sound deadening in it all the way. The doors are sound deadening. The entire floor. Steve handpicked his selection of interior. He's got good taste, don't you think? Scheel-Mann seats, fabricated by our friends at D1 in Wichita. They took the time to perfect match on the door panels, as well as the rear seats and door panels to match. Let me show you the instrumentation Steve picked out. This guy's got fabulous taste. Touch screen, Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, custom sound system. Headliner, brand new. He went all out on this one, which we're glad he did. He's got good taste. Those are rock sliders that we make. Really nice additions, dual purpose. Makes it easier to get in and out. Also, it protects the undercarriage. We're going to make this a quick video. If you're like me, you really don't have much flavor for long, boring videos, so we like to make them short. If you like what we do here, if you're interested in a custom build on any Land Cruiser, give us a shout. We'd like to talk to you. Maybe we can supply some ideas, give you some direction. We also have a YouTube channel. We've got over 100 videos on YouTube. Maybe that'll spark some interest, some ideas. My name's Jim. My son is Jesse. Ask for either one of us. We'd be happy to talk to you. I'm going to get in this thing and give it a little run down the road. Show you how quiet it is. It's got a lot of get up and go. It's got 427 horsepower. That ought to be enough for anybody. So hang on while Jesse buttons it up. We'll run down the road real quick. Like I said, my number is 316-992-5986. Land Cruiser Restorations. Visit our website. We currently have a couple of cruisers for sale. We also have some stock ones that are rust-free. Candidates for a restoration. Get all these windows rolled up. also get a chance to look at some of the cornfields here in Kansas. If you want to fly into the Wichita airport anytime, do so. I'd be happy to pick you up at the airport, bring you to our place, let you kind of look around a little bit. There's 427 horsepower.